Hey guys, this is Johnny from JLux Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I will be demonstrating a blunt cut bob with this 613 blonde wig. I will also show you guys how to thin it out to make it look less full at the bottom. As you can see, I already began my cut with my clippers. I just wanted y'all to see the end of the initial cut. All I did was use the clippers to get my desired length. To thin this wig out, I used my shaving comb. When I was using my shaving comb, I noticed it really wasn't cutting anything off, so I decided to use my shears. With this technique, I just basically take a section of hair and cut it vertically only at the ends to remove some of the weight. ready to be worn and make a girl look extra poppin'. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos about my wigs and doing bundles and hair company reviews. I will definitely keep y'all informed and entertained. Catch y'all next time.